What is going on, everybody? It is Jamie, and welcome to the channel Thrift on Fire. This is mostly going to be a what sold for me on vacation vlog style video. This is going to be part one. Today is Saturday, June 29th. You can probably hear that little noise you hear is rain in the background. Okay, so we were going to get our vacation started off by hitting some garage sales. Probably not going to happen. When I just looked at the forecast, it's currently 6 a.m. Saturday morning. It looks like it's going to rain all morning. So yard sales are probably out of the question. So my wife, she can sleep in a little bit if she wants. Yesterday, I put my store in vacation mode about 4 p.m. I did make a sale. There was about 45 minutes there where it wasn't in vacation mode. I did make a sale. It was I'm looking right now, a Red Wings hat, $24. I had to ship it through just Canada Post on eBay. It cost me a little bit more, which isn't ideal because normally I do ship with Stallion Express where I'm getting a deal, a discount on shipping, and all my shipping prices are set to that deal. So I actually had to pay a little bit out of pocket for that. I also found the video game. If anybody, if you're watching this and you've seen my live stream that I did on Friday, I couldn't find a video game Soul Calibur. I wound up going to the antique mall or the antique booth in Delhi. Looked through the video games I put there, and for some reason I didn't delist it when I took it to the booth. So found it, was able to ship that out yesterday. I also did do the wall here. I'm looking at it right now. Very happy with the way that this wall turned out. It shouldn't take me too long to do the other walls either. This took me about, I think, 2.5 hours, something like that. It went pretty quickly. The other wall that's in front of me has the windows. That might take a little bit longer. The back wall should be fairly simple. So anyway, I did sell two things last night while I was on vacation mode. First, a pair of Under Armour nylon pants. They sold for $27. I won't ship them out. Even though I'm still at home, I don't want to pay the regular Canada Post price on eBay, because if you look at my shipping, I think I'm charging like, I'd have to look at the exact pair of pants, but I bet you I'm charging like $9, and I think it's going to cost more than that to ship. So I'll just hold off because it's already on vacation mode anyway. And then from the comic book buy, it says 90s Atlas. I think it's DC Heroes. It's a thicker book. $25 I got for that. Same thing. I'm going to wait to ship that till I get back. I have my vacation mode set to, I think, July 4th. I'm actually not going to be home until the 8th, but I have my handling time set up in there too. I did message both of these people and say that I'm on vacation mode, and I wouldn't be shipping these until the 9th. Plus, that's kind of what it says on the handling time anyway. But anyway, if they want to cancel the order, that's fine. If they do cancel orders, if anybody cancels orders anywhere along the way, I'll update you on that as well. But all right, let me get on with the day, and I will update you Sunday morning. It is Sunday, June 30th. You've seen in the little clips there what we got up to yesterday. I just went for a coffee run this morning. I'm on my way back to the place we're staying, which is actually college dorms here in Toronto. We can stay for 3 days for about $400, where one night downtown in a hotel in Toronto is probably $400 a night. So we're staying out here. We did get to a baseball game yesterday. We didn't really plan on it. We got outfield district tickets. If you've never done that before, they're $20. You don't have an actual seat, but you can sit in the outfield bleachers or walk around the stadium and go to any of the experience areas. So it was a lot of fun. We just did that for something to do. We do have tickets today to the baseball game, and also Monday, which is the Canada Day game as well. And then after that, we're going to be heading to the Eastern Canada, so that'll be a lot of fun too. Yeah, we're yesterday did not make any sales on eBay. I did get contact the two sales that I made the day before. I did send out messages and say, hey, I'm not going to ship these out until July 9th. They both got back to me and said that was absolutely fine. So that's good news. I don't have to worry about canceling those orders. It's so hard to say. I might not sell anything now for a couple of days. I did get some offers yesterday, good offers, but I'm not going to accept offers until about Wednesday. And being that it's Sunday today, that's a few days away, obviously. Okay, so I will update you in some clips here what we get up to today, and then we will catch back up Sunday. No, I guess that would be, next would be Monday morning, Canada Day. Game 2. It is Monday, July 1st, Canada Day. Once again, I did not make any sales yesterday on eBay. Not super surprised about the no sales. However, I'm a little frustrated because I do have 3 really great offers. I know offers aren't necessarily sales. They are potential for sales. The buyer still has to pay. There's a whole lot of loopholes in between. But I think I had like an $85 offer on a Lifehouse band t-shirt. Just looking for our car over here. Still have the $40 offer available on the Skylanders. And then a Yamaha racing jacket that I just recently picked up. I got an offer for $55. It's Monday. I can't accept any offers till Wednesday. These offers will all expire. So that's kind of disappointing. Like I said, no sales yesterday. Kind of expect that though, until I can send out offers and be a little more active. You know, I might get 1 or 2 sales, but you know, so far 2 days right now, I think, without sales. So I'm just off on a little coffee run here, and then we're going to kind of just lounge this morning. The Canada Day game isn't until 3 o'clock. I'll show you a couple clips from that. I'm not sure what we'll wind up doing after because it's a 3 o'clock game, so you know, we'll probably go for dinner after, something like that. Yesterday was a little frustrating though. After the baseball game, after we had dinner and everything happened, we got back to the GO train station because that's what we did. We went to the GO train station to come back to the little town that we're in. It's just outside of Toronto, but our train was canceled, and the next train wasn't going to come out for an hour and a half. So we had to spend an extra, I think, $60 on an Uber. Didn't really expect that. Not the end of the world, just kind of frustrating, you know, when you're relying on that type of transportation and gets canceled last minute. Nothing you can do about it. We plan on taking the GO train again into the city today. Hopefully we make some sales today. Like I said, I will update you on whatever does happen. Two losses in a row. Slightly frustrating, but that is baseball. Okay, so tomorrow we're going to try to get up early and go to, I think we're going to go through the US, but we're going to wind up in St. Andrews, New Brunswick. So, and then we're going to do some whale watching. So I'll update you in the morning what's going on. Today, so far I haven't sold anything either. But before we end this vlog, which is clearly turning into more of a vacation vlog than a what sold video at this point, I will let you know if anything happens overnight. Probably gonna grab some dinner when we get back, and yeah, a little bit disappointed. Happy Canada Day still. Go Jays. All right, it's July 2nd. I actually deleted my footage this morning. We left Toronto this morning around 4:30, 5 a.m., something like that. It's currently 8 p.m. We are in St. Andrews, New Brunswick. You guys didn't miss anything. We basically just drove all day. We drove up through Quebec and then across I think, Maine, anyway, as I think what the state was, and then we came out into New Brunswick. So that's where we are. We're gonna be here tomorrow whale watching. I did sell one thing today while we were driving. It was a Olympics hat. I'll throw it up on screen. I think it was like a 1994 Lillehammer hat. So thank goodness, some reselling content to share as well. Anyway, this is gonna be the end of part 1 of this video. If you guys like videos like this, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing for more content. Part 2, we're gonna kick it off tomorrow morning with whale watching, but you know, it'll be a few days before you see it. I'm probably gonna just film the rest of the vacation. Hopefully some more stuff sells after the 4th of July is when my stores all go back into regular mode, because I'm just going to use my handling time for vacation. But like I said, if you guys like videos like this, give it a thumbs up, and we will see you very, very soon.